First of all, I would start saying that I'm really amazed by the participation of students in today's interventions, but basically they brought into the conversation a lot of insights on their countries of origin and their personal experiences, and also they generated this interesting discussion that will be useful to see how to tackle the challenges of the AI. It's been interesting to see how we can find solutions. Of course, it's not easy and it's going to take a long time, but we're working on it, and it is important to have students on board. So the ISC, it's a very interesting opportunity to discuss all this, and it's been so interesting to talk to students. So I just want to wish success selalu to all the students taking part in the ISC 2026. So all the best and see you soon.
So the topic of this student conference has been on artificial intelligence. And in my workshop, we specifically talked about how to use AI in a smart way when it comes to higher education. So the students discussed what is the right way to integrate AI in higher education in order to enable a good learning environment which take the advantages of AI into account, but also with an awareness of the possible negative impact that AI can have on higher education.
So I think this conference is like a beautiful venue organized by students, led by students, and everything has been done by students very professionally. And regarding AI, I think it's of course the biggest technology humans are developing in this age. This conference, ISC 2026, I think students at UNPAR did a wonderful job selecting this topic and inviting people and students from around the world to discuss this very important topic.
This is my first visit to Indonesia, and my impressions have been that the energy and excitement and the entrepreneurship, particularly the young people in the country, are unsurpassed. I found this to be a country that is moving up, transforming this part of the globe, and is destined to change the way we do business, the way we live our lives, the way we socialize and communicate with each other all over the world. So I've had a thrilling adventure here this week, and I can't wait to see more.
I hope that my presentation can actually help the student to understand more about the challenge of AI and how it's applied in the real sectors in the industry. Because I think one of the most important thing to understand is sometimes people forget how or what kind of solutions that AI can solve and how it can actually relate it to the social issue that we have here in Indonesia. And I hope from my presentations they can learn and they can apply that in their own country and their future career. And I hope the best of luck for all of the ISC students in their career, and hopefully it can help them to become a better professional. Thank you very much.
So if I had to describe how I feel after this week, I would say I feel very thankful. I sincerely admire all the dedication and all the enthusiasm. I also feel thankful for the people I've met here, for all what I've got to learn from them, and also for all the memories that I now share with international students from all over the world. And for sure, I feel thankful for what these type of experiences give you, like what I got to learn from it, how they open your mind, and how we get to share our differences, but not only our differences, but also our dreams and our thoughts in common as the students who are willing to fight and we're willing to work for a better future. I know a part of me stays here in Indonesia, and in exchange, I will get all these memories back home with me.
Halo, hari ini, pagi ini kita akan melakukan penjemputan batch 1. Ini jam 4.30 di UNPAR. See you, teman-teman asing.
I don't mind being right, even when we got it wrong. I kinda like making it up as we go. And ever since the second grade when you first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I like. I won't hide that I'm right, even when we got it wrong. And ever since the second grade when you first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I like. I won't hide that I'm right, even when we got it wrong. But why you keep playing? We're not the same, man. This other little light, the common ground is shaking in your eyes. If you could believe me, let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end, yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, baby, we don't need to leave all of our differences aside, 'cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what makes it right. Oh, every time that you think it's gone too far, I kinda like making it up as we go. And ever since the second grade when you first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I like. I won't hide that I'm right, even when we got it wrong. But why you keep playing? We're not the same, man. This other little light, the common ground is shaking in your eyes. If you could believe me, let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end, yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. But you and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all of our differences aside, 'cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what makes it right. That's what makes it right. That's what makes it right.
ISC 2026 and empower youth to utilize AI for a better future.
Diam-diam suka aku selain ibuku, tetap boleh juga ya aku. Bukan sulap, bukan sihir, gak disangka ku ada yang naksir. Semar mesem jangan goyang, spontan kita saling sayang. Pucuk dicinta, ulang pun tiba, bila kayak aku. Bukan suara, bukan sihir, gak disangka aku adanya nasib. Semar mesem jarang goyang, spontan kita saling